Hi friends, this is Sarah. Welcome to Crafting and Relaxing. Today I'm sharing with you the unboxing of the Scrapping for Less April Flavor of the Month kit. So you may have seen products that I made with it, but I wanted to show you an unboxing. I wanted to comply with the guidance of being a guest designer, but I also wanted you to see an unboxing because you know I'm messy and I'm probably going to have this destroyed by the time you see it. And I really wanted you to see how much is in these kits. It is a really cool thing that they do. So the way it goes is there's 4 little kits, okay? Then the paper that goes with it, and then the banana split level adds like a fun accessory kit to the kit. But let's open these up so that you can see the individual kits. Each one has an envelope with it, so the envelope is included. And then there's 1, 2, oh my gosh, I think you know which side we have to use. These papers are interesting. They have a bit of that sheen to them. Ooh, I like this denim one. They're not matte. They're like a semi burlap. These are, oh my gosh, look at that one. Okay, well, I think, you know, we have to use that one. This one, I'm not really a fan of this paisley, but I do like that teal. Oh my gosh. This looks like a shirt my grandpa would have, right? I like it. Oh my gosh, these are really fun. Very true Western patterns. I mean, I'm pretty sure my grandpa had both those shirts. Maybe not the one with the pink, and I love how those patterns play. So the set that comes with this is by Sunny Studio, the stamp set. It's photopolymer. It's made with love in the USA. Sunny Studio Little Buckaroo. Oh my gosh, look at these little critters. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. And a little star and a howdy. Okay, I might have to color is what it comes down to here because those are too cute. And then these tags, and I have a sneaking suspicion that they fit perfectly on there. And they gave you a denim one and a canvas one. See how neat and well thought out these are? Very, very coordinated. This monthly kit would be a great gift for somebody who doesn't have a lot of stuff in their room because it gives you everything you need. The envelope, the papers. Ooh, okay. So I'm usually not a fan of the like semi-gloss paper look, but these papers are so gorgeous. I just want to chop them up anyway. Look at them. I think you just have to find it, right? Like I bought a paper that was blue that I really loved. Ooh, that one's going to be tough. I got to use the red crackle. You just have to. Oh, look at this. And then the back, the text has almost like it's stamped on there, some red and yellow in it. And this is a red pattern that's really hearts if you look closely. And then the back is just a layering color for it. Oh my gosh. Okay. So if I'm guessing, I don't think that's double-sided. If I'm guessing which way I use them, I think it's some of both of this one. This one's got to be both. And then this one. And then this. Oh my gosh. Can you see? These are going to be cute cards. Well, you will have seen product made with these already. Or things made with this product. So I like this one. Can you see the pattern? But then I like the polka dots too. Ooh. Okay, well, I think it depends on, I'll probably need some more yellow here. So I'm probably going to bring in the yellow. We'll see. But wouldn't these just be wonderful, wonderful kits to get as a gift? Or, I mean, you could even, if you have several different crafters in your house, when it comes each month, like split with you and your daughters, you could, you know, first dibs each month or trade back and forth. There's just so much stuff in here. Okay, so again, made in the USA. Thanks for your hospitality. Wherever you go, go with all your heart. Bless your heart. And then a really cute scene that you could stamp and color. And if you're a lazy stamper like me, something like this looks beautiful on a solid color even. You know, you could do this in green or pink. I'm going to do it in blue, you know. And things like this are also really neat on those rainbow pads. I don't know what we call those, but something with a variegated color in it. And then they have the enamel dots. Really neat. Okay, look at this one. You know I love this one. Yeah, I already peeked in this box. This isn't like a total surprise to me, but I hadn't gone through each bag. Now, as a guest designer, I will use these in the kits as they came. But, I mean, obviously you could use those on there and, you know, those enamel dots over here. You don't have to stick to it, right? I'm that person you never want to sit next to in a class because I get off track. These are pretty. Oh, I love those. Oh, okay. Here we go. And then, ooh, clouds. I don't know. I really like the polka dots. Look at that. These are neat too because they fade. See that? Starts dark and then they fade out. Ooh, that's a neat backdrop. Almost like a superhero, which makes sense because look at these. You're amazing. I still believe in heroes. Thanks for being a super host. And then there's a star. These would be super cute for teachers right now. You could actually make a card and mail it to a teacher or a first responder. Oh my gosh. How cute would this be for a first responder right now? Anybody who's medical. Oh yeah. Heck yeah. Okay, I think that's probably what I have to make with that, right? Ooh, I like those polka dots too. And again, these are like semi-gloss finish. They are not a matte finish. And I don't know if every one of them is like, ooh, look at that stripe. I'm not very good at looking at paper, am I? I just get sidetracked. I really like this color palette. Really fun. Again, you could mix these two because you have some primaries in both of them. Then there's another one still. Oh, this one had some twine in it. I would guess it went with that. I don't know. It probably went with that one because of the color palette. Scrapping for less. Again, made in the USA. Live your best life. Look at this scooter. I'm going to have to color. I'm going to have to get out my colored pencils. Be happy. Never regret a day in your life. Live your best life. Okay, people. You may not be getting out. This may not be the April you envisioned, but all of this, so true. We'll definitely make some cards with those stamps. And you know, lots of times I don't use the stamps in my craft room. I buy them, I have them, but I don't use them. Oh, look, they have little photo corners in here, kind of give it a vintage look. But these are such cute stamps. I have to use them. This is kind of neat. I like it. So it's a travel pack. This one is a travel themed kit. What I'm probably going to do with it, because of the times we're in, is tone down the travel a little and focus more on the message of these stamps. Live your best life, be happy, never regret a day in your life. And so to do that, I might use this just because it's so vintage and fun looking. But I'm probably not going to focus on, and so the adventure begins. Oh, explore the world. Let's travel. That's just a fun black and white. This green one is fun. So I probably won't use the I love travel. It's not really my style anyway, but I love these. So I might use some of those just sort of as an appreciate life type thing. And then there's a stripe. So if you have a paper kit and it maybe doesn't meet what you need, look at it through a different lens. And if you take some of these papers and you layer them up, you wouldn't notice. Like if you have this next here, you're not going to be thinking about travel. I don't know that I'd put those two together though. Let's see which one. Oh, so you could do something like this, have a really neat border, and then have her in white on that card, and then you wouldn't really be thinking about travel. Let's see what is in this goodie bag. I haven't taken it out. It looks like a camera with, I don't know. And then look, oh my gosh. Okay. Tips and tricks for creating a beautiful project. Take me out often. Use ink or sprays or paste. Blend with a brush, sponge, or dauber and end up with a beautiful background. Thank you for choosing our products. Get crafty and enjoy your hobby. And then you can find Scrapping for Less on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube. And you guys know how I feel about products made in the US, so I'm super excited to be a guest designer. The stencil, made in the US also. Look at this die. Okay, so we'll have to cut this out. It's a camera with a floral on it. Oh my gosh, imagine, it's hard to get past the red because it matches so well, but imagine how cute that's gonna be on there. Super, super cute, love it. Country roads take me home. Oh my gosh, do you want me to sing to you? Probably not. Probably don't want me to sing. I'm gonna be humming though. Okay, so they gave you the scenery to go with the paper, right? Where was it? Right here. So you could do a stencil background with that. A travel stencil, Country Roads Take Me Home. Be gorgeous with this and with our little cowboy set. And the stars, you know me, I'll use the stars everywhere. And then the florals, so you can work those in. So what they've done is given you an amazing amount of creativity and options. I really like it. I'm already thinking of like, what paste do I have? Glitter paste to make that background. I don't know if I have a color that I'm gonna like with those. Then they've got this little thing. Oh, look at those flowers. Okay, I'm just gonna hold them up really still. See those flowers? There's a variety of sizes of sequins, and then there's little flowers and seed beads. I mean, you could make a shaker, you could glue stuff on, whatever. And then cardstock and letters. So let's take a look at the colors of cardstock. Letters to write messages. And this is nice. This feels like nice cardstock. Like you could use it to, I think you can use this to make your card bases and have nice bases. You hear that? I think this is probably 100 or 110. It feels pretty nice. And I'll show you the colors. White, if you want to use the white from this kit, you could use it to stamp your images and color on. I'll probably use scraps from mine, but maybe I'll just use the kit. Pastels to go with the pastel options, and then the red and earth tones to go with those. So plenty of paper to work with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces of paper. I think there are a ton of goodies in here. Really fun. And the stamp sets, I think, are adorable. I love Live Your Best Life and these guys. Oh my gosh. And if you watch my channel, I don't get into really cutesy stamps a lot, but oh my gosh, they're too cute. I can't handle them. Really, really like them. Thank you so much to Scrapping for Less for including me as a guest designer for April. And I hope that you're all enjoying my videos. And if you missed, be sure and go back and see the sneak peek and the other video showing everything that I make with this. Thanks for watching. I hope you're taking time for crafting and relaxing. Bye-bye.